yung cellphone na lang sana yung ginawa mo.
Hello guys! We are here. Saan ba tayo, girl? Saan nga tayo? Oh my gosh, the traffic! Look at that, guys. Traffic. Oh. Oh. Ng Laguna. Sa Laguna pa tayo, di ba? Hindi pa naman Batangas to eh.
What's your name here, see?
OMG. Ayan ang traffic, grabe. Ayan, ang ganda pa ng mountain, parang Switzerland
Because you got
tayo.
new phone.
Parang Switzerland, oh. Yay, yay, yay! Oh my gosh. Look at the traffic.
I cannot get my eyes off them.
Diba? O, paano ba stop?